My name is Joshua Bernard. I'm from Loda. My role on this project is a foreman at the top station. I've been working on this project since the beginning of the project, when trails were being cut to all the tower sites and we were just finding out where everything would be. So my responsibility is leading and instructing several teams at the top station to achieve all our goals and complete all our tasks. Being a part of this project, it gives me a sense of pride. This project is the longest mono cable car in the world. It's a project that people all around the world will hear about, and just being a part of it, being able to tell friends, family that I here working at cable car, helping with construction, it just gives me a sense of pride. The most exciting aspect of working on the cable car project is just seeing all the new things that you don't usually see in Dominica. Like even the material rope where we installed 21 towers with a helicopter. Being able to do that has been exciting, and just seeing the progress in general is exciting. Working on the cable car project has had a positive impact. I was able to start living on my own. I was able to purchase my first vehicle. I am able to fund my studies. I have learned so much just by working with different people on this project, so it has had a really, really good impact on my life. I think this project is actually extremely timely because a lot of other projects on the island kind of supplement it. You have the international airport being built, you have a marina being built, the geothermal project happening. You can tell the island is attempting to increase the amount of tourists coming to the island. So this project is another experience that you can offer to them. So it's a really good project and at a good time. For the locals, for example, I hope they'll experience a sense of pride knowing that something so massive and so beautiful was done in their country. And for the guests, they get to see a large portion of the island from the skies. It's the only experience of its kind on the island. Plus, you can see multiple sites on just that one trip. You get to see the Boiling Lake, a little bit of Valley of Desolation. You get to see the Trafalgar Falls. Just, floating above the trees is an experience a lot of people, I believe, need to experience.